Hello children and welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to learn the second chapter from the revised edition literature reader book. Before we start our lesson, I would like to show you something. Any guess children? Which is related to our chapter. Now you are going to see something on the screen. Can you tell me what do you see on the screen? Yes, these are pet animals. Dog, puppy, turtle, rabbit, parrot, cat, kitten and goldfish. We keep these animals as our pet, right? Children, do you have any pet animals with you? Are you taking good care of them? Yes, if we keep pet animal at home, we have to take good care of them. We should clean their places. We should give fresh water and food timely. We should take them to veterinarian doctor for regular health checkup. Right? Now, what is meant by veterinarian doctor? A doctor who loves animals and cure them when they are sick. Okay? Today, we are going to learn a wonderful story that is about a bird. The name of the bird is Siskin. The bird story was written by Leo Tolstoy. He was born on 28th of August 1828 and died on 9th November 1910. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. His most famous novels are Anna Karenina and War and Peace. He also wrote many fables for children. The author's purpose of writing this story is to bring awareness among people not to trap animals, because the cage is an unnatural environment for the animals. We should allow them to stay in their natural habitats. Let's see. The characters in the story are Seryozha, Siskin and Seryozha's mother. The story takes place in Seryozha's house and garden. This story is related to our life and teaches us a good lesson. Let's read and enjoy the story. Seryozha got many presents on his birthday. They were tops, toy horses and pictures. But the best present came from his uncle, a net for catching birds. Seryozha was happy with this present and ran to show it to his mother. Children, we all know birthday is one of your favorite celebrations. When you think about your birthday, what does that strike in your mind? That is gift. Yes, you look for some gifts from your friends, parents and near and dear ones, and you will be very excited. Here in this story, the boy named Serioza got a present from his uncle that was net for catching birds. Though he got many presents like tops, toy horses and pictures, but he was so excited to get that cage and ran to show the cage to his mother. Let us read further to find out whether his mother likes the present or not. "That is a bad toy," she said. "Why do you want to catch birds? Why trouble them?" But his mother was not happy with the present. She said, "Why to trouble them? Why to catch birds and why to trouble them? I will put them in a cage. They will sing and I will feed them," said Serioza. Serioza said, "I will put them in this cage and they will sing for me and I will feed them." Now what happened next? Serioza then found some seeds, poured them into the little boat and put the net in the garden. He waited for a long time, but no bird came. Then Serioza went to have lunch and left the net behind. After lunch, he found the net closed. A little bird was inside, full of glee. Serioza caught the bird and brought it home. The word "glee" means a feeling of happiness because something good has happened to you. Here Serioza was in glee. It means he was very happy. Why, children? Because now he caught the bird. Children, can you tell me how did Serioza catch the bird? Yes, first he poured some seeds in the boat and kept it out in the garden so that the bird would trap inside the cage. He waited for a long time, but no bird had come to eat the seeds. Finally, it was lunchtime. He went to eat lunch. After taking lunch, he came and noticed a little bird was inside. He was very happy and brought it home. Let's read further. "Mama, look, I have caught a bird. Probably a nightingale. How its heart beats." Here, Serioza was very excited. Finally, he got a bird and ran to show the bird to his mother. He said, "Mama, see, I have caught a bird, probably a nightingale." He touched the bird and felt the heartbeats because the bird was trapped. So it was so scared. Due to that, its hearts beat fast. "That's a siskin," she said. "See that you don't torment it. Perhaps you should let it go." Mama replied that was siskin, not a nightingale. You should allow her to go. It means you should allow the bird to go and not to torment. Torment means not to torture or not to suffer the bird. So better you can let the bird to go. Then what Serioza said? "No, I will feed it and see that it has enough water too." Serioza put the siskin in a cage, kept adding seeds and water and cleaning the cage every day for 2 days. But on the third day, he forgot the little bird and forgot to change the water also. Now he was very excited. He add seeds and water and clean the cage for 2 days very nicely. But on the third day, he forgot the bird, he forgot to change the water, and he was very busy in his own way. There you are, said the mother. Now, mother is very angry. So she said, there you are. You have forgotten your little bird. Better let it go. Because mother is not in a favor of keeping the bird and troubling the bird. No, I won't forget it, said Saroja. I'm going to change the water straight away and clean the cage. Then he said, right now I will go and I will clean the cage and I will change its water. Now let's see. How long is he going to keep the bird inside the cage? Is he going to free the bird? Is the bird happy with him? Let us read in our next slides to find answers. Serioza put his hand in the cage and began to clean it, while the frightened siskin thrashed against the bars. When he finished cleaning the cage, Serioza went off for some water. Mother noticed that he had forgotten to close the cage and called him. Here, the word thrashed means moved soundly. Children, what happened in this paragraph? When Serioza put his hand in the cage to clean, the siskin got frightened and moved its wings soundly against the bar. After he finished cleaning the cage, he had forgotten to close the cage and went to get some water. Serioza, close the cage or your bird will get out and hurt itself. Mother noticed and reminded Serioza to close the cage or else the bird would fly away and hurt itself. She had barely spoken. Barely means hardly, loudly, you can say. The mother spoke barely because she was shouting, Saroja, close the cage or else your bird will get out and hurt itself. When the siskin found the tiny door, skipped happily through, spread its little wings and darted. The word darted means moved suddenly through the room to the window. It did not see the glass, of course, struck it hard and fell on the window sill. Children, hear what happened. When the bird heard the hard sound, it found the cage was opened. With that little space, it skipped happily, spreading its little wings, moved quickly towards the window, but unfortunately, it did not notice the window glass because outside it seems clear. It got hurt and fell on the window sill. Serioza came running, picked it up and put it back in the cage. The siskin was still alive, thank God, but lying on his breast with its wings spread and breathing hard. Serioza looked at it and burst into tears. When he saw the bird lying on its breast with its wings spread and breathing hard, by looking at this bird condition, Serioza started to cry. Mama, what shall I do? "Let us nurse it," said his mother, bringing in bandages and balm. Let's see further. Seryoza stayed by the cage all day, watching the siskin still lying on its breast and breathing fast. Seryoza's mother had bandaged the tiny feet and put balm on the wings. Seryoza could hardly sleep. When he ran to the cage in the morning, he saw that the siskin was able to stand with some difficulty. After a week of regular care, the bird was better. Seryoza took the cage into the garden and opened its door. The siskin hopped about for some time and then flew to a low branch. Seryoza watched happily as it chirped and hopped to higher branches till he could not see it anymore. He never caught birds again. Children, in this paragraph, Seryoza's mother bandaged the tiny feet, put balm on the wings to nurse the bird. Seryoza stayed by the cage all day, watching siskin till lying on its breast and breathing fast. He couldn't sleep well because he was worried about the bird. Next morning, he noticed the bird was able to stand, but with some difficulty. After a week with proper care, siskin was better. He took the cage to the garden and opened the cage. The bird flew happily to higher branches. Seryoza had taken the promise that he would never catch any birds again. Children, these days are the good example for us. Due to this COVID-19 and present pandemic situation, we are trapped inside our house. We are not able to go out to play, meet our friends and relatives freely that we used to do before. Do you feel good to stay inside? No, right? It is difficult for us to stay in a same place and room for a long time. We will feel bored and look for freedom. Just think about the animals and birds. We trap them in a cage away from their natural habitats and their family. They do have same feeling the way humans have. So children, I hope you have understood and enjoyed the story. Thank you.